Over the last decades, SKOV has focused on reducing energy used to ventilate houses for animal production. In our development of energy-efficient solutions, we have focused on both regulation principles and fans. In the case of the MultiStep regulation principle, the climate computer controls one of the fans steplessly from 0 to 100%, while the other fans connect in groups, as required. For pig production, MultiStep typically reduces energy consumption by some 50% compared to conventional ventilation solutions. By combining MultiStep with a low-energy fan from the DA600 LPC range, the need for energy can be reduced by up to 75% compared to conventional solutions. The dynamic MultiStep principle is a result of continued development of the MultiStep principle. Dynamic MultiStep is unique in that the fans connect in steps until 30% of their output. When all the fans in the section have been connected up to 30%, all of them will be regulated in parallel up to 100% when additional ventilation is required. Compared to the most energy-efficient MultiStep solution with LPC fans so far, the new dynamic MultiStep solution reduces energy consumption by a further 30 to 40%. For SKOV, energy consumption may never be reduced at the expense of the house climate or animal welfare. Dynamic MultiStep uses several new LPC fans in the exhaust units, combining high performance with high pressure stability when the ventilation level is low. In addition to saving energy, the LPC fans are extremely stable in terms of pressure and therefore less sensitive to the wind than, for instance, frequency-regulated fans. Pressure stability is of great significance to minimum ventilation, where strong wind impacts may have severe consequences for the welfare of the animals and for the producer's heating bill. Noise levels have also been reduced considerably and can typically be reduced by more than 50% using dynamic MultiStep with LPC fans. Dynamic MultiStep combined with LPC fans will typically reduce the number of exhaust units needed to meet the same ventilation requirement. The additional investments in the new regulation principle with new fans can therefore be repaid in 1 to 2 years, thanks to fewer exhaust units and the additional power savings. With dynamic MultiStep, SKOV has developed a regulation principle that allows fast repayment of the investment and reduces energy consumption for many years. Correct minimum ventilation and low noise levels improve animal welfare.